Welcome back, everyone. Today, we are focusing our attention on the cotangent function, y equals cotangent of x, and we are going to find its derivative from first principles. Let's break down the proof step by step. We begin with our standard equation. Let y equals cotangent of x, which becomes our equation 1. Now, let's introduce small changes to our variables. If x changes by a small increment, delta x, y will change by a corresponding small shift, delta y. This leaves us with equation 2. Y plus delta y equals cotangent of x plus delta x. Next, we find the change in y by subtracting equation 1 from equation 2, which gives us delta y equals cotangent of x plus delta x minus cotangent of x. To simplify this, we can express the cotangent functions in terms of cosine and sine. Cross-multiplying the terms gives us a common denominator and a single combined fraction. Take a look at the numerator. If we flip the order of terms mentally, it matches the expansion for the sign subtraction identity. Sine of a minus b, setting a as x and b as x plus delta x, our entire numerator beautifully reduces to just sine of minus delta x. To find our derivative rate, let's divide both sides by our change in x, delta x. Now, we apply the limit as delta x approaches 0 to both sides. The left side becomes our derivative notation, d over dx of y. On the right side, remember that sine is an odd function. So sine of minus delta x becomes negative sine of delta x. We pull that negative out to isolate our standard limit block. Evaluating our limits, the special limit fraction goes directly to 1, leaving us with a negative 1. On the other half, as delta x drops to 0, the denominator simplifies to sine of x times sine of x, which gives us sin squared x. Since 1 over sin squared x is equal to cosecant squared x, we get our final conclusion. The derivative of cot x with respect to x is exactly negative cosecant squared x. Thank you so much for joining today's lesson. If this first principles proof made trigonometric differentiation clearer for you, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and share. See you next time.